Right, this time we're going to put a WebView, which is a component that allows you to pull a website actually into your app. So if you go to widgets there and you grab WebView, and I'm just going to put it into the whole screen. Okay, now the one thing I will say about this WebView here is you need to give it an ID. So I'm going to give it an ID of WebView, WebView capital V. Okay, so that's important. If you look at the code here, it's got an ID of WebView. Alright, now the next thing you need to do is go into the main activity and make sure you're inside the onCreate and copy the code that I've just given you. Paste it in. If you see the red errors, you're going to click on the word, Alt Enter. Alt Enter. And Alt Enter. Right, so now that's all imported, and it's actually referencing, if you see here, the WebView is referencing WebView, which is the ID of the WebView. Now, if you run that, you'd think it would work, but there's one more problem. You also need to paste in a line that I've given you at the end of my example into the manifest file. So this line, you need to paste it into the manifest file here. Alright, now, so when you've updated the manifest file, and your main activity looks like this, and your WebView looks like this, then you should run it and see what happens. And now you'll see that we have Google, which was where we wanted to go, in the WebView. Now if you are still having a problem, okay, with this, it's to do with API version 29. So if that happens and you still can't get the website to open up, a quick thing to do is to uninstall the app. So what you do is you click on whatever your name of your app is called, drag it up and uninstall, and then run the program again. And the next time you run the program, it should actually work. Okay, so there's how to put a WebView into your app.